Hi, and welcome to Dixa's Agentic CX platform, built for e-commerce brands who are ready to move beyond legacy support tools. On legacy software tools, you find out about problems after they've already happened. This is Dixa's real-time dashboard, every queue, every agent, every waiting customer, live right now. No refreshing, no separate reporting tool. Your managers see issues the moment they start and act before customers ever feel them. Dixa's intelligent offer algorithm ensures no cherry picking, but allows brands to support their business operation directly to how CX should be orchestrated. Unlike legacy tools, this is natively done across all channels, which are set up in minutes without the need of your IT team. This is where your agents work. One screen. The conversation on the left, the customer's full history on the right. Francis has contacted you several times before. Your agent sees that instantly without switching tabs or looking up a CRM. On legacy software tools, that's 3 separate apps open at once. Context switching costs time and it costs mistakes. Dixa keeps everything in one place because your agents shouldn't have to work harder than your customers. Contact registration, agentic knowledge base support, and integrations to your bespoke tech stack are all in front of you to help your brand and your team maintain the highest of standards. Dixa's AI engine offers the newest Copilot functionality that any agent needs, allowing you to work at high speed while maintaining that quality service your customers expect. Writing assistants, translations, and much more is all here, taking your CX into the modern era of support. Whether you need to transfer, run separate threads with third parties, or take actions, it's all done from one tab, just as it should be. Dixa's Intelligence Suite allows you to have one source of truth for your entire customer operation. Channel performance, CSAT, conversation volume, response times, agent performance, all in one view, always up to date. Most teams coming from legacy software tools tell us the same thing. They spend hours every week exporting CSVs and building dashboards just to answer basic questions. With Dixa, those answers are a click away, not a spreadsheet away. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most companies struggle to implement AI with success. With Dixa, this is not the case. If you want to leverage intent detection to capture why customers are reaching out, make one in seconds. Prompt whatever you need and enable it instantly in your workflows. If you want to set up an AI agent, take a look. This is MIM, Dixa's native AI layer. MIM is built in from the ground up. Let's look at how Dixa's AI agent gets configured. Every AI agent has a fully configured persona, a name, a tone, and a set of behavioral rules that make it feel like a natural extension of your brand, not a generic chatbot. The AI agent's intelligence comes from your actual content, synced automatically and kept current whenever anything changes. No manual uploads, no stale FAQs. This is what separates an AI that actually resolves issues from a bot that confidently gives outdated answers. With Dixa, your AI always knows what it's talking about. And with tools, this is where Dixa goes from answering questions to taking action. These tools connect your AI agent directly to your backend, order status, cancellations, escalation to a human. Most AI add-ons can deflect a question. Dixa's can resolve it. AI add-ons from legacy software tools, all retrofitted onto platforms that were never designed for AI. They handle simple deflection. The moment something gets complex, this is where our customers leverage Dixa the most. In Dixa, you can design your CX exactly as needed and orchestrate your customer journey around your queues. Every conversation gets matched to the right agent, team, or AI automatically based on logic your operations team sets and changes themselves. No manual distribution, no professional services, no developer. Easy workforce utilization to modernize your CX. Your ops team owns the routing and prioritization, and they can update it in minutes. Bringing it all together, Dixa's channel flows and automation engine. Most platforms give you an inbox and a handful of routing rules. Dixa gives you a visual flow builder for every channel. Phone, email, chat, messaging. Each one has its own intelligent flow that your operations team designs and owns. No code, no developer, no professional services engagement every time your business changes. You decide the logic, when to tag, when to escalate, when to hand off to AI, when to queue for a human. That's autonomy. And it's a level of control most platforms simply don't offer. Here's what that looks like in practice. This is a phone support line and the visual call flow behind it. Incoming call, welcome recording, automatic tagging, queue routing, and a callback option if no agent is available. Every step configured without writing a single line of code. And here's the email flow, which is where Dixa's channel logic really shows its depth. The moment an email lands, you have the option to create the exact journey you need to support your customers. Filter, tag, route as you want. In this example, Dixa calls the Shopify API to pull the customer's order data. It checks whether they're a VIP. If so, they're routed to a priority queue immediately with an automatic reply on the way. For everyone else, intent detection kicks in. Delivery issue or a claim? The right AI agent takes over automatically, trained specifically for that intent. Only what the AI can't resolve ever reaches a human. This isn't routing. It's a fully automated, fully configurable resolution engine built by your team, run by Dixa. And we're back where we started, except now you've seen what's running underneath it. Ready to see what this looks like with your team's data?